Hi guys, welcome to a video for it's 11 minutes I think. Hey guys, welcome to a video for click the 7:30 can you get these up. Today guys we're gonna be playing slime of course. So hi guys. We had an accident of course. So yeah. I have shorts. You know I have shorts under my skirt. So yeah, don't worry about that. Of course, so yeah. We'll be back in a second. This is our Oreo slime, the ultimate one. Okay guys, we have 4 slimes, of course. So these are mine. And those are my sister's one. So yeah. I'm gonna play this one first. Okay guys, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so these are all the slimes that we own. So first of all is this confetti strawberry slime. So I hope you like that one. Then my sister's slime. Hey guys, you didn't hear the sound? Wait. This Oreo slime. Yeah, it's kind of different too between. And then this one, mine, my favorite. Yeah. And then we have this jiggly slime we're gonna keep collecting to make more videos like this. So we're gonna put them back. Only the jiggly ones. We're only gonna play these ones? Because we got this at Target. Of course, so there you go. Wait, we should move our chair. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all, attention, please. So we're gonna be putting all the slimes back. This one goes back. This one to go back, of course. So yeah. So I'm gonna go bring it to the slime mall. I'm gonna show you our container, guys. We're gonna keep. So this is mine. This is Oreo
when we go to Dollar
slime.
We have to find a big basket to put slime in.
Okay. It's an Oreo milk slime. It's sorry, guys, this is backwards. And this is a glossy milk slime. So yeah,
Okay, guys, I'll be right back.
Okay guys, we're back. So glossy. See that
Here
glossy?
we are.
But don't see her hairy arms. It just grow like that.
Go on that side.
So weird, yeah. Okay guys, we're back. We're just kidding. Yeah. Okay, we're trying to do something, guys. So this is our challenge. So
Make bubble pops.
do this after.
Yeah, we're gonna make those.
Okay, guys. Anyway, so okay.
My slime is better.
It's so mean.
Mine is dirty white. Hers is like white on me. This is our dream slime, by the way.
Yeah. Wait, how about guys? We cut this in half, of course, and then.
Guys, it's getting thicker.
Okay. I'm gonna put my other slime.
Guys,
see
want to
about
see
that.
something? So first is this beautiful blue.
That's my sister's one, and mine is dirty
This
white.
dirty white. Yeah. So this dirty
I'm
white.
telling.
It's so adorable. And then we have these containers.
It's been.
My sister's gonna decorate hers.
It's been 4 minutes. So guys, you want to see my slime getting decorated? So yeah, yeah.
No, it's not to decorate them. I'll help you. Okay. Here's my slime while waiting.
Okay.
Don't ruin my slime.
I'm not. I'm just gonna like do this.
How can we have a little bit?
Because I put mine back.
Oh. Should have known.
What are you doing?
Swirl.
Okay, I'm going to do bubble pop, please. Oh my god. Oh.
Sorry guys. So this is the slime I did.
Yes.
So now my sister's gonna be having it.
Thank you, Tashi Master. Arigato gozaimasu.
I'm gonna help her out a little bit. Give her back the slime. So it can be more glossier. Because you don't want to leave this one out.
Okay, let's put this boy back. Carry her arms right out here.
Okay, so I'm gonna drink from my Stanley first.
I think so. You guys are jealous. Maybe.
No, they're not.
I know you really want one, but our cousins gave us this. So
Yeah.
they live in Hawaii.
Yeah.
My favorite place. Girl. Bruh.
There's green stuff in my slime.
Bruh. Which is
My turn.
okay.
It has a little bubble already. It's excited.
Woo! Oh my god, I'm in the bubble, guys. I'm gonna get the bubble.
Goodbye, bubble.
Okay, let's see your popping sound, guys. Oh my god, am I gonna squish it a little? Oh my god.
It's so like fantastic.
Yeah, I wanna make a bubble like that, but I can't though. Wait, I'm gonna try. Wait, okay, it's my turn now.
Okay, y'all.
Okay, y'all, attention please.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, what time is it right now?
7:03. How's it 7:30?
No, it's 8 o'clock.
No,
When does the video end?
No, yeah, at 7:30. Finish your video at 7:30. Yes! Okay.
I'm gonna have mine to do.
Hey, my turn. I didn't really do a big one. That's why. You did 2 times. That's why. Have both of them, so you have to make a bigger bubble.
Okay, we gotta like do those, do that. Her hairy arms are here.
You have hairy arms.
No, I don't. I was only looking. They're the same. Yeah, the longer
Can't be
one.
talking.
Now that's turning into a bubble already.
Oh!
Oh.
It went on the stuff. Okay,
Okay, it's my turn now.
It depends on the popping noises. If it's good, let's see.
Oh my
Whoa.
god. I have an idea. Wait, so, bruh. So we do this, of course, and then we do that.
When the timer's done.
Yeah, and then we go over
No, when
like
the timer's done, you
this.
can still play because it's not 7:30 yet.
You like, we do like that, and then I do look, and then look. So I do this, and then we do like, bro.
Guys, these are the Barbie size slime.
I guess. Okay, here's the sound noise.
Human size.
Here's the sound noise.
Not bad. It's not that bad, y'all. Okay, my turn. You have to do like this to have a better grip. And then next, you have to do like this. Then you... She's gonna be in the bubble, y'all. pop, y'all.
Oh, please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me.
Okay, let's hear the crunchy noise. Sorry guys, you can't see my face, my beautiful face, because because I'm on the side here.
She has glasses on for real, guys. And I don't.
You will soon.
Okay, guys, this is.
Guys, you got all the wrong sound. Alright, guys. Sorry.
You sorry.
Yours is whiter.
Okay, guys, attention, y'all.
She's the slime.
Oh, you're more fun than me now.
Oh, there's a good idea actually. Yeah, like that. It's like this. So